Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Settings and search for Vibration or Haptic to jump straight to the right panel. Once there, tap Sound and Vibration or Sounds and Haptics. Models label it differently, which is why search helps. Make sure you're in the main system settings, not in app settings, then locate the toggle labeled Vibrate on Touch, Haptic Feedback, or System Haptics, and keep the screen visible so you can switch it off in the next step. Now turn the feature off. Flip the Vibrate on Touch or Haptic Feedback toggle to off. If your device uses gesture navigation, go to Navigation Bar or Gesture Settings and disable haptics specifically for navigation presses or gestures. Some phones place the control under Accessibility or System Advanced. If you don't see it, use the settings search again. Once disabled, test by tapping the navigation buttons or swiping. Finish by rebooting the device to ensure the change takes effect. Some phones need a restart for system haptics to stop. Make sure to also check app level and keyboard vibration settings, since apps can override system haptics. If vibration persists, update your OS, boot to safe mode to isolate a misbehaving app, or clear system cache. As a last resort, consider backing up and resetting settings, but try safe mode first to avoid unnecessary resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.